2017 3.6 Jeep doing an oil change. Then first you use the 24mm oil filters right here. Pack it loose and then you leave it there. So the oil, let the air go in so the oil will drain out that filter. So then you remove this, the cap, just right here, remove it. And then remove the dipstick just partially, so you let air in, oil drain faster. And we're undoing the oil drain plug. It's a 13mm. Go here and you crack it loose, and then you remove it. And then let the oil drain out. Grab the oil drain, put the drain plug back, Dad. And then you torque it down just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna remove the oil filter. So I like to use this, just hold it. So see, oil drip, bro. So then you put it here. And then you grab the new one. This one right here. This one. Good one. And then you just simply pull it a little bit. So pull this out, separate it. Just put it here and then remove this O-ring right here. This one. Remove it. And then you take out the new one. Right here. So the new filter should come with the O-ring. There we go. And then you insert the O-ring right here, the big groove. Make sure it's well lubricated. And then you take this filter out. And you do a quick comparison. Make sure they're the same one. And then you put this in like this. And now you're ready to install. So when you install it, you wrench and turn it. Just make sure it's snug, don't break it. And then yeah, we done finished replacing the oil filter. We're gonna fill 020. Nice oil from Costco. You're gonna add 5.9 quarts.
Right.
So then